Hello. Hi guys, am I audible? Please confirm in the chat box. Hello Sabir, Star Walker. Hello, good evening. Seacoat. Hi. Hello, good evening. Welcome. All right, great. Hello Arnav. I welcome you all at OLYMP Trade's today's webinar. And today we will be talking about a very interesting strategy, barcode strategy. Barcode strategy we can use in fixed time trading. And it is an excellent strategy for those who like a good pace of trading. So the traders who want to trade aggressively, who want to place more trades and have a good pace, they can use the barcode trading strategy. It uses a variety of signals with only the D marker oscillator. When the green or red line marks of the oscillator histogram appear, it is signal to open a trade. Okay. Later on, you can watch this video, or we can even watch the video right now, as it is a very short video. Aryan, hello, good evening. Good evening, Nimit.
A successful trader always follows a strategy. A VIP strategy from OLYMP TRADE. In this video, we will discuss the Barcode VIP strategy for making 1-minute trades. When using it, it is possible to open more than 20 trades per hour. We use a Japanese candlesticks chart for trading. 1 minute is a suitable chart interval. For this strategy, we choose currency pairs with high volatility: Euro dollar, Pound dollar, American dollar, Canadian dollar, and Australian dollar, American dollar. With the help of the demarker indicators bars, you will be able to identify price spikes and make profitable trades. To start earning, all you have to do is open the trade on time. If the indicator shows a green bar, open an up trade. If it's red, open a down trade. Let's try our strategy in practice. In our example, we'll open the chart for the Euro-dollar currency pair. We choose a Japanese candlesticks chart. We set the chart interval at 1 minute. We open the indicator section and choose the VIP Strategies tab. We select the barcode strategy. The demarker indicator has appeared below the price chart. The necessary settings are applied automatically. When the indicator shows a red bar, that is a sign of sharp downward spike in price. Immediately after the
Alright guys, so this is how we can use and apply the barcode strategy. So whenever a green line is appearing in the D marker oscillator, let us first of all apply it. Also, for all my fellow traders who do not understand English that much, I will explain the strategy once in Hindi as well later in this webinar itself. So let's apply the barcode. Click on enable. We can see that the D marker oscillator has been applied. Alright. So whenever there is a line appearing below this, so this is the 0.5 line here. Whenever the D marker is appearing below the 0.5 line, it is a signal for a down trade. Whenever it is appearing above the 0.5 line, it is a signal for an up trade. For example, right now we are having a signal for an up trade. So I'm entering into an upside trade here. Trade duration is 1 minute. So दोस्तों यहाँ पे ये जो लाइन है नीचे, ये डी मार्कर ऑसिलेटर है. अगर इस 0.5 लाइन के ऊपर एक बार बनती है, अपीयर होती है, तो ये एक इशारा है ऊपर की ट्रेड लगाने का। अगर ये लाइन नीचे बनती है तो इशारा है नीचे की ट्रेड लगाने का। ट्रेड का जो समय है वो आप रख सकते हैं 1 से 2 मिनट। Alright guys, so we have entered into an upside trade for 1 minute duration. If we win this trade, then I will continue with the same amount, and if we lose this trade, then I will use the martingale formula. So what martingale formula tells us is that if you lose a particular trade, in the next trade you should increase the amount to make the recovery of the previously lost trade, and also you will get some profit along with it. So it resulted in a negative trade. Now I am entering into another trade using the martingale principle. Let us find another entry here. Right now also we have an upside trade entry here, so let us try once again, as the next bar has also appeared above the 0.5 line here. Okay, another line has appeared below the 0.5 line. So I am using 2 of my risk-free trades here. So let us wait for these trades to close. Now this is the strategy which is liked by the aggressive traders. The traders who like to trade aggressively, who like to make a lot of trades very frequently. Since you are getting an entry almost every minute, whenever the bar is shifting, if it is appearing below the 0.5 white line here, it is a signal for a downside trade. If it is appearing above that white line, it is a signal for an upside trade. The trade duration should be 1 to 2 minutes. Here we can see in gold, the line has appeared, the D marker histogram bar has appeared below the 0.5 line, so it is a signal for a downside trade. Let's see what is the current situation. We won the risk-free trades. However, we lost this $60 trade here, also the $30 trade, but we made the overall recovery. So 30, 60, 90, we won here 86. So almost all the amount we recovered, but again some amount is left. So I will again use the martingale formula for this trade here for $60. Here I will use $80 for the next trade. Let us wait for this trade to close. See guys, I suggest you to not copy my trades because there might be a lag of 2 to 3 seconds, and also another thing that my capital, my risk management is entirely different. If you really want to make trades looking at my trades, then I suggest you use the bare minimum amount, which is $1 or 70 rupees, like that. Alright, so this trade also went in our favor. Now let us try another trade using the martingale principle. Here also the bar has now appeared on the upside, so this is a signal for an upside trade. We can see 0.5 line, the bar appeared on the upside, again the bar appeared on the upside, so a signal for a upward trade. Trade duration is 1 minute, trade amount is $80. Guys, is my sound and video clear? Please confirm, because I believe everything is working fine. Perfect. Thank you, Nimit. let us wait for this trade to close, then we will enter into the next trade. Also guys, most of you also would have been waiting for the NFP data today, but unfortunately the data is not going to be released today. It is next Friday, and next Friday also is going to be a very important webinar since we will be trading on the NFP data. So this is how the barcode strategy works. As I told you, it is very aggressive. As soon as you see that the bar has shifted its position from the upside to the downside, at that point only you can enter the trade. You can use the martingale principle here. For example, if you lose one particular trade, in the next trade you can increase the trade amount, and if you win that particular trade, you will recover all your previous losses. So if this trade also doesn't go in our favor, then again we will have to use the martingale. 60, 80, 200, then 450 maybe, but let us wait for this trade to close first. 3 seconds are left. Okay, it did not go in our favor. Let us now switch the asset. Okay, here also the D marker bar has appeared above the 0.5 line. However, the candle appearing right now is a red one, so we will not enter into an upside trade. I have so many risk-free trades as I almost reach the 28th level of the expert status every time. So that is why I have a lot of traders way rewards. JBS. Okay, in Asia Composite Index, we have a downside trade. The D marker is appearing below the 0.5 line. Guys, the barcode strategy is a very aggressive strategy. You will get a lot of entries. So if you are one of those traders who like to trade aggressively, who like to make a lot of trades, then the barcode strategy is for you. Whenever the D marker is shifting, at that point you can trade. So this is the third martingale step, considering this one the first. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the fifth martingale step. But if we win this trade, the profit would be 390, which will recover the total loss made here, which is 280 plus 60, 340, 340 plus 30, 370. So the overall situation will be profitable by $20. So we made the recovery. This is how you can use the martingale. Arnav, can we do any forex trades today? Yes, definitely. We will make some forex trades as well. I will share some market news ideas with you guys during the end of the webinar. Guys, is the barcode strategy clear to everyone? I hope no one is having any doubt here. The strategy is actually very easy to understand. Whenever the D marker is shifting its position above or below, at that point we can enter into a trade. Let us now switch the asset again. Now we will return back to the basic amount, which is 30. Here in commodity composite index, we have an upside trade. The D marker appeared above the 0.5 line. Also, this candle is a solid green candle with a very good volume. So an upside trade here as well in commodity composite index. The trade duration shall be 1 to 2 minutes while using the barcode strategy. Yes, Chris, you can trade on the weekends. However, on the weekends, the OTC market is open, and the working and mechanism of the OTC markets is a little bit different as to the normal assets. However, I suggest you, if you want to trade on the weekends, you can trade on the cryptocurrencies also, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Arnav, I wish we could, but unfortunately, as of now, you cannot trade on the Indian shares on OLYMP TRADE platform. So we won this trade, guys. I hope that the strategy is clear to all of you. We can see that the accuracy is good, and while using the martingale principle, we are able to earn good profits here. Alright, let us try to make some more trades using the same strategy. As long as we are winning the trade, we will not change the amount. Also, try to get your entry on the very first shift. The very first. So, a trade in the upward direction for 1 minute. The D marker bar है above the 0.5 line in the upward direction, 1 minute trade. Nikhil Reddy, I have been trading on the OLYMP TRADE platform since 2016. Almost I have an experience of 7 years. And I can very proudly say that as of now I am a full-time trader. What about you, Nikhil? Since how long have you been trading on the platform? And how has been your trading journey so far? Yes, Raviji, Himanshu here. Welcome today's webinar. In today's webinar, so today we are learning the barcode strategy, and as of now we are getting very good accuracy. Almost we have earned 40, 40, 40, 120, 130, 20, 150, and 50, 200. So in this session, almost we have earned $200 of profit as of now. Let us try to make a few more trades now. Whenever the D marker is shifting, like here we have a trade for the downward direction. Again, I am entering into 1 minute duration for the downward trade. The indicator which is being used here is the D marker, oscillator actually, Salman. Good evening, Raviji. How is your trading going? Okay, it seems like this trade is not going in our favor, and again the D marker has shifted. So this is why it is called an aggressive strategy. Now the strategy is indicating for an upside trade. So now I'm entering into an upside trade for 1 minute. Nimit, can you please elaborate how it is showing different in your mobile phone? Arnav, okay, we will analyze the Brent as well. Just give me a minute. I am very glad to know, Ravi ji, all the best to you for your future trading sessions. The webinar on the OLYMP TRADE Global channel as of now is connected on Friday. Yes, every Friday 6:30 p.m. Let us wait for this trade to close. Yes, Salman, please feel free to ask whatever question, whatever doubts you have. Okay, so we won this trade as well. Now we will return back to the base amount, and also let us analyze the Brent ones as Arnav is suggesting. Arnav, what should be the time frame? 1 day time frame. Okay. See, in 1 day time frame, we can see sort of a rising wedge here. Rising wedge. Um, I would like to demonstrate this. Just give me a minute. Okay, so this is a rising wedge. The trend is a downtrend, and in a downtrend, this rising wedge is appearing. This is how it is. In a downtrend. So if it gives us a breakout here of this level, this particular level, then we can expect a further upside movement. So a rising wedge in a downtrend is a reversal pattern. Is it clear enough? Okay, D marker is not the same. It is of period 14. See, we cannot say anything, Arnav, as in when particularly it will give you the breakout. But yes, we can expect when this level is broken, at that point we can expect a breakout. 88.89. Then we can expect a further breakout. Ravi Krishna, can you guide for NFP please? Yes, I will. Salman, I am very sorry about the inconvenience. Payment आपका जो है stuck हो गया. I suggest you contact the support department. They will help you out. And don't worry, your money will be safe. Vibe 39. This strategy is not that profitable. Guys, I have been trading live in front of you, and we are almost getting 70% accuracy. While using the martingale, we are getting good returns, good profits. Sometimes the strategy might not work for you according to some market conditions, but at that point you should just take a break and use the martingale. Strategy accuracy. The strategy will give you around 60% of accuracy. Arnav, I will answer your question shortly. Okay. Rishabh, unfortunately, I cannot disclose that information with you, but yes, I can proudly say that right now my full-time income source is from trading only. Yes, Arnav, you should use the default 50% stop loss level. Also guys, is this strategy clear to everyone? If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask in the live chat. Regarding the NFP will be released on 10th March, 7 p.m. So we will also go live on 10th March as well, 6:30 p.m. and we will trade on the NFP also live in the webinar itself. Okay, now guys, you will try to find an entry. Also, in the Brent, it is a pennant rather than a rising wedge. Still, it is a potential upside movement. As soon as the 87 or 89 level breaks, we will see a sharp movement. First this level, then 89. These are the two levels which will, after which it will give a sharp breakout. I'm also planning to take a trade in Brent, so you can make a pending order here. Multiplier 50, stop loss minus 50%, enable order by price 85, continue. So now your pending order would be placed at this point with a stop loss of 50%. This is how you can place pending orders also, guys. See, fixed time trading is always riskier. Now, if you use any strategy, fixed time trading always carries a certain element of risk because in a few minute time frame, it is not always possible to predict right. Your predictions will go wrong. So there will be a risk always in fixed time trading. To counter that risk, you should be using a good money management principles like martingale, so that can help you. Yes, Ravi, we already discussed about the NFP, that next time we will be trading live. Now let us try to find a few more entries using the barcode strategy. I think very soon we might get a downward entry here. A downward entry we have in Asia Composite Index. Rishabh, can you share your few good and bad experience during trading journey? See, I still remember when I started my trading journey, I was into my last semester of college and I had my last semester fee along with some other money which my parents gave me, and I invested all that money into trading. But unfortunately, at that point, I lost all of it and I was hopeless, clueless of what to do, how to arrange money, how to get it back. So somehow I managed to pay the fee, but later on I did not quit trading because I knew somewhere in deep in my heart that the mistake was in I mean I was making the mistake myself and I can correct it. So since that day, I studied a lot of books. My favorite book is Candlestick Charting Techniques by Steve Nissen. I recommend that book to you all if you want to learn technical analysis. And The Psychology of Money for Trading Psychology. So these are the two books that changed my life. Since that day, I never looked back, and I've always been profitable. So it has been a roller coaster journey in the beginning, but since then it has been very smooth and I have been earning profits consistently. Also guys, if you have a bigger capital, then it is much easier for you to earn profits. So we lost this trade here for $30. Now let us try another trade. Now we have an upside entry. I will use the martingale here. Satish, I suggest you, if you have faced big losses, kindly take a break, slow down your speed, and try to focus more on forex trading. And you can even trade on the NFP that is about to come, and you will be having potential of earning almost 10 times the invested amount. First book name is Candlestick Charting Techniques. Japanese Candlestick Charting Techniques by Steve Nissen. Japanese Candlestick Charting Techniques. You can find this book on Flipkart, Amazon, Goodreads. I like your confidence, Arnav, and I wish you all the very best. Every one of you will make the recovery, don't worry. I'm very sorry about your experience, Tayyab. Thank you so much, Rishabh. Don't worry, guys. Just stay disciplined and focused, and you will all recover your profits and come out of it very soon. Okay, so we lost two trades now. Since discipline is very important, we will stick to the plan. Now we will use the martingale principle and make the third trade. Let us try to find an entry. I think we have an entry in basic dollar index in downward direction. 1 minute trade here. Let us wait for this trade to close now. Satish, if you are having expert or advanced status on the platform, I suggest you that contact the support department and have a one-on-one session booked with the expert. Lavish Guru, I always prefer bigger time frames. Don't worry, Vibe. 39, you will recover your loss very soon. So we made the recovery here by following the barcode strategy signal. Now we will again return back to the basic amount. So guys, I hope that the strategy is clear to each and every one of you, how to make the trade, how to find the entry. Arnav, there are two breakout points in Brent. One is the 85 and other one is 89. So if the 85 level is breached, then soon it will reach 89, and from that point you will get a breakout. See, Narendra Chaudhary, OLYMP TRADE is a broker and a broker makes money from the commission on the trades which you have placed. For example, right now if I place a trade for $10 and if I win that trade, I will get somewhere around $9, and the remaining $1 It goes to several parties. A part of it goes to OLYMP trade, some of it goes to the liquidity providers, and on forex trades, OLYMP trade charges commission. So that is the source of income for OLYMP trade. Some traders are under this misconception that if they lose a trade, the money will go to OLYMP trade. That is not the case, guys. It just moves around in the market only. That is why we at OLYMP trade never want you to lose your money. One trade, I think enough trades we have made for today, and almost we have earned almost 350 USD. So let's call it a day for trading. Guys, if you have any doubts, please feel free, use the live chat. Whatever you wish to ask, please feel free. Arnav, if you are having expert or advanced status, then definitely we can talk about it in the personal consultations. No, Nikhil, I don't trade on any other platform. I'm trading on the OLYMP trade itself. Rishabh, are you also doing trading in equity market or not? I used to trade in the equity market earlier, but when I saw the potential that if I invest all the capital into OLYMP trade, I will be able to grow my money more quickly, then I never traded again on equity. Sometimes I invest on some Indian stocks, but not that much. Book. I just suggested a book right now. Japanese Candlestick Charting Techniques by Steve Nissen if you want to learn technical analysis. And for trading psychology, there are a lot of books, but my personal favorite is The Psychology of Money. Okay, and there is one more book, Psychology Trade Like a Monk. Okay, Trade Like a Monk. It is by Harneet Singh Kharbanda, Indian author. It is also very resourceful. Go for it, guys, if you want to learn about trading psychology, if you want to improve your trading psychology. There are a lot of books in the market. The ones which I have read that I'm telling you. Okay, guys, if you have any more further questions, please feel free to ask in the live chat. However, we are done for the trading today. Okay, let's make one more trade, one lucky trade for 100 USD. And if we win this trade, then we will close the session. If we lose this trade, then also we'll close the session. Right now, we have an entry for the downward direction in basic dollar index. Yes, this strategy can work for 3 minutes, but since it is a very aggressive strategy, I suggest you to use the 1 or 2 minute time frame. So this is the last trade for the day. Seems like we are going to win this trade very comfortably. It will take our profits for the day to almost 400 USD for this session. Yeah, this is the last trade, Instagrammer boy. And we made profit in this trade also. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining, everyone. And I would like to announce that the next webinar is also going to be very special, as we will be trading on the NFP data release live in the webinar only, and we will come up with a new strategy also. So I request you all to join. And next Friday, same time, same channel, same host. I wish you all the best, Arnav. No, Nikhil, I do not. Alright, guys. Signing off now. Take care. All the best, everyone. I wish to see you all very soon in the next webinar. Bye bye. Take care.